So hello guys. So in this video I am going to explain you about lambda expression, how they work and how they make your code more cleaner and more efficient. So these are the agenda in this today's video. So I will cover what are lambdas, why do you need lambdas, an example and use cases, and how to create lambda from the normal function, that is from method. Let you know that why there is a need of introducing of lambda expression, means what problem we face before java 8 and why there is a need of introducing of lambda expression. So before java 8, java code was too long and repetitive. Just look at this example. Create package like lambda. Inside that we will create one class. The class name is like traditional approach. We will name as traditional approach. Okay, in that we will write one main method, then we will create one interface. My functional, and in that we will write one method. In that we will write one method like this. Then we will create interface object dot get new my interface. So this concept is called as anonymous class. Okay, so inside that we will write hello. Okay, now we will call this object, that is greet. So it will print hello world. So in traditional approach, so before java 8, this example we this anonymous class is used. Then you will ask one question that, so in this example we have created the interface and we have abstract method, right, greet. Okay, and in main method, so this concept is called anonymous class. So inside that we have implement this method and we call the method inside the interface. Now you will ask, what is the use of this anonymous class? So it allows you to direct implement the interface where it needed without overhead of creating the new classes. Means instead of creating a new class and implement this interface, we can directly use the interface methods. We can implement this whatever the method inside this interface. If you want to use this used in a locally, so that is the use of anonymous class. Here we can see, just to print the hello world, there are n number of lines we have written in these methods. So this approach is used for in before java 8. Just print hello world, we are executing the too many lines of code. So that's why there is a need of introducing lambda expression. Within one line of code we can print this hello world. About what is lambda expression. Lambda expression is a shortcut way to write an anonymous function. It removes the unnecessary code and make java more functional. We will write the same code by using the lambda expression. The same example we have written with the help of lambda expression. So first we have to create the functionals. So this is our interface. Then we will create one object, my functional. Then in that we will write hello world. Okay, so see, we will call this greet method. Now see hello world. So see the difference between this much line of code, this is before Java 8, and this is only one line of code we can use. You can print the hello world. So that is the use case of lambda expression. Within one line of code we can print the hello world. Now we will learn about step to make any function lambda expression. So there are few steps. First is remove access modifier, remove return type, remove method name, and place arrow. So here is the example. Suppose this is our method. What is saying that remove access modifier. Okay, we will remove the access modifier. Then remove return type. We will also remove return type. Then remove method name. Just remove method name. Then place arrow. Then here we have to place arrow. Place arrow. So now this will look like this. So by applying this step, that remove access modifier, then remove return type, remove method name, and add this arrow method in between the expression and after this bracket. So it will look like this. So now let's see the second example. So in this example, what's first step is remove access modifier, remove return type, remove method name, and here we have to add this lambda expression. So this method is look like this. Just int a lambda expression and this method. So basically these are the arguments and these are the method body in between that curly braces. Now let's see the third example. So here we can also the same example. Just remove access modifier, remove return type, remove method name, and add here of lambda expression. So this method will look like this. String, lambda expression, and the return type. Now we came to know that how a lambda expression is look like. Now we will see the characteristics and how to apply it. First, if body has just one statement, then we can remove the curly braces. This saying that if the body is having just one statement, this is having only one statement. Okay, so we can remove the curly braces. So after removing these curly braces, just remove these curly braces. Okay, then after removing this, it will look like this. Okay, now the second one, use type inference. Compiler gave the situation or context. This statement is saying that there is no need of declaring this data type. There is no need of write this data type. Compiler at runtime, compiler decide that which data type is passed. So after removing this, it will look like this. The third one is no return type keyword. So instead of writing this keyword, you can directly write str.string. The third one is saying that just remove this return type. So after removing this, it will look like this. And fourth one is if one parameter, then remove the bracket. Means if there is only one parameter like this, there is a one parameter, just remove this bracket. Now this lambda expression is look like this. Of benefits of lambda expression. The first is concise syntax and more readable code, enabled functional programming paradigm, And third one is improve collection processing with the stream API. And third one is reduction of boilerplate code, especially for anonymous class, the Lambda expression. So basically, the Lambda expression is the Lambda expression in Java is specially designed to work with the functional interface. The functional interface is an interface that has exactly only one abstract method. In Java 8, introducing the concept of functional interface, which plays a key role in enabling Lambda expression. Which is saying that, as we seen in this example, this is the functional interface. Means this is the interface and there is a one abstract class. So in that case only this Lambda expression work for this interface. If you try to declare like void greet something like int a, it will give compilation error. If you want to play with the Lambda expression, the interface must have only one abstract method. Let's summarize what we have did in this lecture. So first, why there is a need of introducing of a Lambda expression? So as we have seen in this example, so this is the interface and this is a class. So before Java 8, we are using the anonymous class to use this function. To just print hello world, we are writing this much line of code. But so this is a lot. There are a lot of boilerplate code. So that's why there is a need of introducing Lambda expression. So by using this Lambda expression within one line of code, we can able to do our functionality like hello world. So that is the need of introducing Lambda expression to reduce the boilerplate code and work code with efficiently. Now also we have seen that why we use anonymous class. So it allows you to directly implement the interface where it needed without the overhead of creating the whole new class. So what is Lambda expression? So as we see that Lambda is expression is shortcut way to write the anonymous class function to remove the unnecessary code and make Java is functional. There are steps like remove access modifier, remove return type, remove method name and place arrow. So these are the steps to convert function to the Lambda expression. So this is the method. By applying these steps, we will get this method as this. And just to beautify this, here is some characteristics like if you have the only one argument, then there is no need of writing this data type. At compile time, Java came to know that which data type you have to use, and there is no need of writing these curly braces. And third one is there is no return keywords. There is no need of writing a return keyword. And if there is a one parameter, there is no need of writing this bracket also. So yeah, so this is all about Lambda expression.